What is going on, guys? So here's pretty much a clip of how the truck's looking so far. That's with the coilovers up in the front, as you guys can see here. I put those in finally, along with the upper control arms. I have allowed it to settle in already, so it's pretty much at the height that it's going to be riding for. And that's just with the stock wheels. So I do plan on putting it's another set of wheels that I have for it already. I just wanted to get a quick shot out of it to see how it looks, or to show you guys how it looks with the stock wheels on it. I believe in the previous clip I disclosed what the dimensions were, or the sizing of, as far as like how many inches I got of lift. At first I believe it was like a 4-inch lift that I got from it, and then it settled about 1 inch, so I lost 1 inch. So it was pretty much a 3-inch lift with this setup here. That's a Toytec Ultimate Coilovers in the front. It is giving me a lean, kind of like a squat, It is giving me a squat look to it, which kind of don't mind. Not the biggest fan of it, but it doesn't look too bad. I'm hoping with the tires, with the new wheels and tires that I have for it, it'll kind of fix it a little bit. But pretty much that's how it sits. I really don't mind it. Looks pretty good, kind of what I was looking for. However, with the wheels, they are wider, taller. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna leave it as it is, or if I'm gonna pick up some wheel spacers for the new wheels and tires. As you can see, the stock ones, you know, they're pretty flush with the body. They don't really stick out. I want to see with the other setup how much it sticks out, and possibly getting wheel spacers for probably just the front. I'll probably do just the front for now, and then go from there, see how that looks. Go from there. Pretty much it's coming together. The grill, I did that. That was a fun time. Window tint, I did the window tint, pretty much limo tint all around except for the windshield. The windshield is a shade lighter than limo tint, but might as well be limo tint because you can't really see much in, you can't see anything in there really. Not unless the sun hits it in a good direction, you have the windows cracked. Other than that, you can't really see much in there. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how it's looking right now. Pretty much done. Gonna wrap it up here soon, and then go from there. Make an assessment of all the projects that I have going on, and see if this is gonna be a keeper or not. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted. As you guys know, I have other cars that I want to take care of too. I really love this truck. The only down part or bad thing about it is that it's manual windows and manual locks. That's pretty much the only bad thing about it. Other than that, it's pretty good. It's been reliable, knock on wood, so far. Hasn't given me any issues. As you guys know, I did the paint on the front hood as well. Came out decent. Not the best job by any means, but it came out all right for what it is. I mean, it's just the old truck, you know. Kind of wanted to do a few off-roading trips on it, camping trips. It's gonna get scuffed up either way, so I wasn't looking for a pristine job, and I did it myself, so it's not like I paid a bunch of money for it. But yeah, guys, next video is going to be about the wheels and tires, swapping those out, and we'll see what kind of height we get from those. Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I just kind of want to get a little clip of the truck before I swap out the wheels. So currently, like you've seen, it has a lift on it, the front lift with the stock wheels. As of now, I think I've said this already before, but in the front, I'm sitting at, currently it's at 35 and a half for, I'm sorry, not 35. The front driver's side is currently sitting at 38 and a half. The passenger side front is sitting at 38 and 3/4. That's from my garage floor to the fender, on the center of the fender, at the highest part of the fender. That's pretty much what it measures. The garage floor is pretty level, so I'm pretty sure it's pretty accurate. That's with the stock tires, so that's after it's settling, suspension settling and everything, so that's what it's currently at. I lost about an inch after driving it for a few weeks. You know, the suspension settles, but all in all, it's like a 3-inch lift. And with the tires, I'm expecting to get more of a lift, so we'll see how much exactly I get out of it. I'll probably record that and you guys will see in the next video. And yeah guys, the only other thing left in this is pretty much just gonna be the stereo. It currently has, let me show you guys, it currently has a stock stereo in it, and it doesn't work. That's currently the only thing that's down on the truck. So I'm looking to see if I purchase another one or get a stock one, just because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be keeping the truck just yet. If I do buy another one, that's pretty much all that it really needs, and the truck will be completely done. And I'm not completely done. I'm not gonna say completely done, because cars are never completely done. There's always something you can do to it, or something new that you want to do to them. This one, if I do decide to keep it, I do have a shelf for it, which I'm kind of on the fence if I'm gonna install it on it or not, because I'm not really a big fan of the camper shells. But as of lately, I've been looking at other people's builds and the overlanding type setups. They've been catching my attention, so I'm not sure if I do go that route. I'm going to put the camper shell on it and kind of, I don't know, possibly buy a rooftop tent, or I can also go with the bed rack route and go from there. Yeah guys, we'll see. Stay tuned, see what happens with this truck, if I, to see what route I go. But that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. It's just a quick little update video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.